the ground. Letters floating all around. Jump up high and